Hi guys, welcome back to another installment of Out of the Box with Mytee Products. My name's Austin, and today we're covering the new Prep Center S. This thing is the latest addition in Mytee's line of all-in-one auto detailing machines. It is loaded with features meant to maximize efficiency. I know you guys are going to love it, so without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so if you're familiar with the previous Prep Center, you will immediately notice the redesigned chassis. We cut out a lot of the bulk to make the new Prep Center S significantly slimmer, as well as we added these new 4-inch locking caster wheels to the front. This redesign is aimed at making the new Prep Center much more mobile, so you can move it around your shop easily even when you're tight on space. In addition to the machine itself, every Prep Center S is going to come with the following accessories. Dry vacuuming hose, vacuum solution hose assembly for hot water extraction, a crevice tool and claw tool for dry vacuuming, the 8400P Airlight upholstery tool with clear top head, the hose hangers with hardware, the exterior drying tool, piglet filters, and the cutie safety covers for quick disconnects. Alright, so now that we have everything, let's go ahead and get set up. I've already got mine plugged in. You'll notice that it actually runs off of one singular cord. This is a 115 volt cord. That's going to power the single 3-stage low amp motor as well as the 1200 watt inline heater. Those two are going to combine to give you 130 inches of water lift as well as a maximum temperature of 210 degrees. After I've connected my shop air vac to the rear air compressor port on the back here, as well as fitted in my piglet filter into the stainless steel strainer cage, we are ready to get going. So without further ado, let's get detailing. For dry vacuuming, you want to attach the vacuum hose to the port located on the top of your machine here. Now remember, it is very important to have the piglet filter fitted over before you start dry vacuuming. This is going to protect your motor from any of the fine particles that you're sucking up. If you're expecting to be sucking up particularly fine particles, it might be smart to as well have some water at the bottom of your reservoir tank, and that's going to add as an extra layer of protection. Now, all we have to do is fit one of my dry vacuum detailing tools over the hose as so, switch on the vacuum motor, and we're ready to go. Okay guys, now we're going to be talking about hot water extraction. To begin, you're going to take your vacuum solution hose assembly and connect it like so on the top of the machine, and the solution hose goes back into the face of the Prep Center. Now, once you have those connected and you have your upholstery tool hooked up like so, it's time to fill the solution tanks. These tanks have approximately 12 gallons. It's actually a higher capacity than the last edition of the Prep Center, even though it's a smaller chassis. You have two options for filling your solution tank. You can use either the included solution fill hose. This can go to any faucet, or if you have a bucket, simply dump it directly into the top here. Once you have your solution mixed the way that you'd like, it's time to turn on the extractor. You need to engage the motor in a specific manner to avoid vapor lock. The first thing you're going to want to do is switch on the pump and prime it by holding down the trigger until you get a steady spray of water coming out of your upholstery tool. Once that is happening, you can turn on your heater, and you're going to wait about 5 to 7 minutes for your solution to heat up. Once you have the nice hot solution and your pump is primed, we are ready to start extracting. Turn on the vacuum motor, and it's time to go. Okay guys, now we're going to be going over the spray bottles. Make sure that your shop compressor is properly connected in the back, and once your bottles have been filled with any pre-treatment, tire foam, degrease, whatever you'd like to have, make sure that they reach the proper pressure. When you're ready to go, simply unhook your nozzle from the holster and squeeze to spray. Our nozzles are really cool. They have this adjustable flow, anything from a pinpoint to a wide spray, and they also include a lock. If you got a lot of spraying to do, this will reduce fatigue. Once we are done with the spray treatments and it's time to blow dry the exterior of our cars, simply take the vacuum tube from before and connect it down here to the exhaust. This is the exhaust port from our vacuum motor. When I connect my blow dry tool to it here, this is going to give me a steady stream of warm air that I can use to blow dry the exterior of the vehicle. Okay guys, that concludes this episode of Out of the Box. I hope you guys are ready to get detailing. As always, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Join the conversation on all things Mytee at Facebook, as well as Mytee.com for more information. See you guys next time.